My name is Susan Carl. I am President and CEO of Annabelle Candy Company.
My name is Shelley Kraft, and I'm the VP of Finance at Annabelle Candy Company.
My company manufactures candy bars. We're very popular in the Western United States and have been for a very long time. We manufacture Rocky Road, Big Hunk, You Know, Look, and Abba Zaba candy bars, and variations on those as far as size and some different flavors. My grandfather started the candy company. He was quite an entrepreneur with a lot of persistence. He didn't make it right off the bat. He failed a few times, but in 1950 he finally made a success of the company and incorporated, so we have actually been in business now for almost 62 years. My grandfather started with just the Rocky Road, but in the late 70s he acquired the Golden Nugget Candy Company, which makes Look and Big Hunk. So those became part of the Annabelle family. And then in the 80s, we acquired Cardonet Candy Company, which made You Know and Abba Zaba, and that rounded out our candy family, so to speak.
In order to facilitate growth and comply with FDA rules, Annabelle Candy realized the need to computerize, abandoning the tracking of inventories and performing accounting operations manually. After an extensive search, the company selected SYSPRO, Enterprise Resource Planning Software.
Basically, we do the general ledger, inventory, accounts payable, receivable, and sales and POs. That's our major modules.
Today, with SYSPRO Cashbook, Annabelle can optimize cash management with system-wide bank reconciliation information on cash inflows and outflows. By providing complete enterprise-wide financial recording, analysis, and reporting from all aspects of the business, SYSPRO General Ledger gives Annabelle a real-time view of corporate performance. Annabelle controls inventories and optimizes stock levels via SYSPRO Purchase Orders module, which also lets the company monitor quality, lead times, and cost of purchases, in addition to providing comprehensive supplier performance analysis.
SYSPRO has helped us as far as inventory in a lot of ways, more of a day-to-day control of what we have in inventory. Also, we are much more informed as far as best before dates. Right now we're on top of it all. Before we used to have a lot more donations, and now we tend to have our product up to date, sold, and we don't have the older dated product like we used to have. It also keeps us in control of the count, production. It's really been very handy for us, much more than we expected.
SYSPRO Sales Orders enables Annabelle to enhance customer service through fast, efficient order processing and accurate, timely order fulfillment, while maximizing sales through instant access to information about stock availability, prices, and possible substitutions. SYSPRO Bill of Materials also facilitates an accurate expected cost against which to track actual production costs. The complete bill forms the basis for material and capacity planning, shop floor control, and costing.
SYSPRO inventory has helped us from the beginning when it first comes into the company all the way up through the production and to the end result is my financials, because we can track it as it comes in, we can cost out our product, we can see how much product we have. So throughout every different need, we seem to find a reason to look at SYSPRO and get our answer. It's very user-friendly, I think. Especially we've had the updated version, and it's really helped us a lot.
Finally, SYSPRO Electronic Data Interchange enables Annabelle to speed the turnaround of orders, while SYSPRO B2B Trading enables Annabelle to gather and consolidate data from the various Annabelle warehouses.
As far as the distribution, we use the warehouses and just to get it there, and we know how much is there, and we have, of course, the best before dates and everything to keep in control, how much is a new product, how much is old. So we use SYSPRO as a way of knowing exactly how much the counts are in each warehouse.
We're expanding beyond just the Western United States. Our sales have continued to grow, and it's with the help of companies like SYSPRO that we've been able to do